Right, hey guys, it's Algo or Luke here once again, and today we had a beautiful day, beautiful play. We managed to book in just shy of 1k, and I managed to pass one of my accounts, thank goodness. And yeah, I have multiple accounts actually, and the reason why these are negative is because if you're familiar with these funded accounts, evaluation is that you have to have a minimum days of trading, and thus as such I open and close a trade with like 1 or 2 ticks, so it books books my trade as it counts it as one of my days. So without further ado, let's get started with the trade. This was a beautiful play, and all of us, I was saying it in the chat on Lux Algo, you could have entered, but I would rather you do it yourself. So as you can see we have all these buy side liquidities forming, and all of these are forming, and we're not taking it out yet. So we managed here in the morning today, in today's session at 9:30, around 9:30 the market opened. We managed to grab this liquidity here, so I was looking for a beautiful short here, and beautiful short here, and I was looking for MSS. So indeed, yes, we did get an MSS here. And so step 2 is done. What's step 3? Step 1 is liquidity sweeping. Step 2 is MSS, shift in structure or change of character if you may. And step 3 is the displacement, which formed this MSS. And step 4 is the fair value gap. Now, the most important thing is the fair value gap. Did we form any fair value gap here? Between here, or here? Nope, we did not. So this was a no-go. So many people ask me, what's a no-go? What's a trade that we should take? What's a false signal? These are false signals. Unless you have all 3 components, that's liquidity, the MSS, and the fair value gap, of course the displacement in between, you do not take the trade. Don't worry about it. You didn't miss anything. Look, in a few minutes, in about half an hour, from 9:30 to around 10:30, in just 1 hour, you had a huge potential opportunity, and which I managed to exercise the privilege of taking it. So here we go. So we took all these buy side liquidities, and then we formed a market structure shift. So that was our step 2. Now step 3, did we break it in a strong displacement? Yes, we did. Look, red candles, energetic, full of energy. Look at this kinetic energy. If you scientist guy, just joke. So yes, so now we form any fair value gap? Yes, indeed we formed. Of course, Lux Algo did draw this for you, but since I'm recording this after like an hour of current price, so it deletes the old ones and places the new ones. But I'm just gonna go ahead and take the privilege of drawing it again for you. And so you have 1, 2, and 3. Sometimes you get situations like this, and I'm gonna answer you on which one you take. And the simple answer is yes, you take the first fair value gap right here. So you take this one over here, you enter at as soon as it touches it, like on this green candle, but you must be able to weather this. How many ticks? About 50 handles, so about 200 ticks. That's a big stop loss, but if you have a huge account like 300,000 accounts funded or like evaluations, you can take this trade. But other than that, I wouldn't. So what would I do? I have a 50k account and a 25k account, as you saw on this account. I take from the top. If we're shorting, we go from the top to the bottom, and our equilibrium. So we want to short in or enter a trade at premium. So anything above the 0.5 is our premium. So anything here is good. So the price went inside this fair value gap just here. I would have entered my trade right here. Of course, you could have entered it here, but you would miss it. So just like, look, this one missed it by a tick, if you can see it. So just don't take the risk. Get better risk, but do take the trade, execute it. Otherwise, you're just watching. And you can put it at this swing high over here, and you can TP. Your TP should be, it could be here, but I don't look for these moves. I always look for where there's all the liquidity is. I mean, at least in good amount. So this one right here, or these equal lows right here, I would take it for this one. Of course, once the price reaches this spot, you can put your stop at break even. But there we go. We just delivered. We risked only 70 ticks to make a staggering almost 316 ticks. Now that was a beautiful move, and it all happened in a matter of 4 or 5 minutes. So if you entered with one contract here, That's about 1,500. That's about 500, 1,000. I don't know. You do the math. But I exited. I exited somewhere as soon as I reached my target, my account target, and I was around K. So somewhere around here, around 109, 110 ticks or something. Right. That's it. Enjoy, guys.